Hello, this is a program 2 from PCD. Design and develop an algorithm to find the reverse of an integer num and check whether it is a palindrome or not. To implement a C program for the develop algorithm that takes an integer number as an input and output the reverse of the same with the suitable messages. In this example, we have used 12321 as an example to find whether it is a palindrome or not. Now here, this is the program which we are trying to use to find out the given number is a palindrome or not. Here, hash include stdio.h, main, integer, print, enter the number which is to be identified as a palindrome or not, accept this number and then calculate the palindrome of it and then display whether it is a palindrome or not. This is a program which we are looking into. Now let's understand this program step by step. Hash include stdio.h. This is an library function which is called as an header file which is used by the printf and scanf, and it is called as a standard input output file. That's what hash include stdio.h. So void main open braces int p n digit reverse is equal to 0. Meaning of it, void represents no return type. The program actual execution begins from the main function. Actual function starts from the main function. There is only one main function in all the program. Open braces is the initial is the beginning of a function. This int represents the data type integer, and let's consider as an example as 25. P n digit reverse are the variable of type integer. They are the variable of type integer to store the integer values like p is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 and digit is equal to 3. And p n digit are the variables 1, 2, 3 are the integer types. Now printf enter the number. Scanf %d and of n. P is equal to n. Remember, n is the value accepted and you are storing to p. So this part is very important. The meaning of it. Printf enter the number. This is a printf command. This is a printf command which displays the statement inside the printf on the screen. I mean this statement enter the number. It displays it on the screen. Here it displays enter the number on the screen. Slash n represents the new line. Semicolon represents the end of the print line here. End of the print line. Next one, scanf %d and of n. So scanf is a command to accept a variable value n, to accept the variable value n from the user. So the %d is used to store accepted value in n. It is used to store the accepted value in n. Whereas %d represents the integer format specifier and represents the address So initially p is equal to n. So n is a value that is given, it is accepted and it is stored in p. Okay, so remember this, we are storing p value. So there is a copy of the integer accepted value and it is the copy is p. So input, if you give 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 and it is stored in p also. Now while loop is a loop which is used to store the which is used to check the whether given number is a palindrome or not. So n is not equal to 0. Until not equal to 0, execute the statements within the while loop. Now n is the given number and now until it is not equal to 0, execute the statement. Now here for our simplicity, I have written here digit is equal to n modulus of 10, reverse is equal to digit plus 10 into reverse, n is equal to n plus 10. So these are the three statements that is present inside this while loop. Now these statements are executed repeatedly until it is not equal to 0. Okay, so this is a while loop and this condition. So open braces is the opening of the while loop, and the closed braces is the closing of the while loop. Now let's look at it. So n is the integer that is been given, that is 1 2 3 2 1 modulus 10, that is equal to modulus 10. So modulus represents the remainder. So when you take 1 2 3 2 1 and remainder is 1 because it is modulus. Now this becomes an input for 1. This 1 is placed here because reverse is equal to digit plus 10 into reverse. So this is 1 is a digit, so you place 1 here plus 10 into 0, that is 10 into reverse. Initially reverse is equal to 0, so it is 10 into 0 is 0 plus 1. So answer is 1. Reverse is equal to 1. Now this is the third line executed. N is equal to 1 2 3 2 1 divided by 10. So when you divide a given number by 10, it becomes 1 2 3 2 1.1. So we do not take 0.1, so it is 1 2 3 2, that's all. Okay, so this three statements, this 1 2 3 are the first loop. Okay, now again when it executes one digit value, n value, reverse value, and then it will come back to again to execute the digit value. So these three statements are repeated until this it is not equal to 0. N is not equal to 0 because this is the new n, 1 2 3 2, it's not equal to 0, so it will go to the next loop. So it is 1 2 3 2 modulus of 10, that is the first statement. 1 2 3 2 modulus of 10, that is equal to 2. Now so reverse is equal to reverse 2 is the, we got digit as 2. Now here digit plus 10 into reverse. Here previous statement reverse is equal to 1, we place it here because it is, this is reverse, and now 2 is you are getting here, we placing here. Now 12 is the answer. 10 into 1 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So these, and the last statement of this loop is n is equal to n by 10. So n is, what is a new n, is equal to 1 2 3 2. So 1 2 3 2 divided by 10 is equal to 1 2 3.2. So we do not consider the 0.2, so we use only 1 to 3. Now this is the new n formed. 1 to 3 modulus of 10 is equal to 3, and the new reverse is equal to 3 plus 10 into 12. So this is the new reverse formed. New reverse is placed here, and this is the 3 is obtained from the previous state digit value. 3 is placed here. 3 plus 120, this becomes 120. 120 plus 3, this is 123. So now n is equal to n by 10. So what is the n? N formed here is 123. 123 divided by 10. So that is this statement, 123 by 10. So new value of n is 12. Now this new value of n is passed to the next loop. There is, now this is first loop, second loop, third loop, fourth loop, because n is still not equal to 0. So n is equal to 12 here. So n 12 modulus of 10 is 2, that is 2 is a remainder, and you get 2 plus 10 into 123, that is 1 2 3 2. Okay, 1 2 3 2, there is 1 1 2 3 0 plus 2, it is 1 2 3 2. Now n is value, this is the new previous n, and we take this previous n and divide by 10 is equal to 1. And now 1 modulus of 10 is equal to 1. Now this is again put to the reverse. This is 1 plus 1 2 10 into 1 2 3 2, it becomes 1 2 3 2 1, which is equal to the given input 1 2 3 2 1. This is the reverse and this is the given input. So you know easily that it is a palindrome. So next one is n, a previous n is 1. So 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0. So when it reaches 0, it is equal to 0. We are checking. If it is not equal to 0, stay in the loop. So now n is equal to 0, so it will come out of this while loop. But here reverse is equal to 1 2 3 2 1. This digit is equal to 1 2 3 2 1. So the given number, you know, we had already discussed p is equal to n. So p also stores what is the n value. So the given number is 1 2 3 2 1. So reverse number is reverse, which we calculated in a while loop, is 1 2 3 2 1. So if condition P, the given number P is equal to reverse, that is equal to 1 2 3 2 1 is equal to 1 2 3 2 1, yes, it is equal to 1 2 3 2 1, both are same. So then it will enter this if loop and it will display print on the console, that is 1 2 3 2 1 is a palindrome, else it is not equal to palindrome. Now, this is the program which we are looking in. Hash include stdio.h, and we have understood this is a header file, void main, integer, printf enter the number, scanner accept the number, p is equal to n. We checked into a while loop, we calculated step by step, identified what is the reverse number, and then we found out both input and the reverse number are equal in the if statement, and it is a palindrome, and we display it. So else it is not a palindrome. Okay, this is ends the second program. Thank you very much.